Welcome. If you've ever wanted to save all the video messages from a specific chat on Telegram using your PC, this guide will walk you through the latest, easiest method with the new update. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look through your chat list and select the conversation where you want to export the video messages. After opening the chat, move your cursor to the top of the chat window and click on the name of the contact or group. This will open the contact or group info panel, giving you access to more options and details about the chat. Now, look for the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of the info panel. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Export Chat History. This is the feature that allows you to back up and download everything from your conversation, including media files like video messages. A new window will pop up, showing you several export options. Here, you'll see checkboxes for different types of content. Make sure to check the box labeled Video Messages. You can also adjust other settings, such as the date range, the format of the exported data, and the download location on your computer. If you want to export only video messages, uncheck all other boxes. Once you've set everything up, click the Export button at the bottom of the window. Telegram will begin preparing your export. Depending on the size of the chat and the number of video messages, this process might take a few moments. When it's done, you'll find a folder on your computer containing all the exported video messages, ready for you to view or back up. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can save all your important video messages from any Telegram chat on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips for mastering Telegram and keeping your conversations safe.